Naxals. It was mentioned very recently by the Prime Minister when he was speaking in Rajasthan. He spoke about the whole concept of redistribution of wealth and how this is an urban Naxal thought, because you are essentially saying that you're going to take money away from people and you're going to give it presumably not just to those who deserve it, but specifically to the minorities.
Where did he say that? He is quoting a Prime Minister who said it a decade back. He has been in power in the last 1 decade. Why didn't he talk about that? Why is he misleading the people? Now when the fact check came, it was about the minorities. It's about the women. It's about the children. It's about the oppressed class. Why are you naming a community? Why is that hatred coming out? Especially in the first phase when you came in, it was not there. Are you rattled? Are you rattled after the 101 constituencies which has gone through the elections? Have you got reports that you're not making it? Are you seeing that the South is rejecting you? Now you go up north and you think that this narrative will work there? How can you stoop down? You say sabki saath sabki vikas. Why are you separating? Why are you breaking the people? What are you talking? See, look at the language.
So if I may actually...
Mangal Sutra. What does it mean to remove a Mangal Sutra of a woman? It is killing their husband, removing their identity. Did that manifesto or did that speech say that we will take away from them and give him? It is like telling children, if you don't eat, kaya jayega, ye aa jayega. Wahi to kar rahe hain. He can't stoop down to that.
But like when he went to Aligarh, that he said in Baswada, in Rajasthan.
But what
then
he said is wrong, right?
So,
he is setting up a narrative. See, please read between lines. Please read the violence in it. Please read the polarization in it. We did not vote you up for that. Sabke saath sabka vikas hona chahiye. In 10 years it has not happened. 10 years you don't remember it. Why are you talking?
The BJP...
See, when he comes, we are questioning the narrative. When he comes here to Tamil Nadu, when he came to Tamil Nadu, he talked about Kachativu. A 1.5 kilometer, a small little island, which their government was there, they didn't ask. He are questioning this. Why are you not answering when we are asking what happened to thousands of square meters China has taken? Why don't you talk about that?
Since
So that is a narrative he is fixing. We are not going to falter.